Who is the market maker? The perfect illusion in financial markets. The market wasn't built for you to win. It was built to make you think you're about to. You think you understand the crypto market? You analyze charts daily, track on-chain activity, follow whales and big funds. You think you're getting smarter with each trade. But what if everything you see is only part of the game? What if every signal you trust is a script someone already wrote for you? Welcome to the world of the market maker, where whales don't swim alone. They move in formation. So who is the market maker? Most people think M's are just big liquidity providers like Alameda, Jump Trading, Wintermute. That's only scratching the surface. In reality, the market maker is an invisible ecosystem. No logos, no names, but full control over the game you're playing. They don't just move prices, they write the script you end up following.
The three pillars of a real market maker.
1. The one with money. Lots of money. An MM doesn't need to be many. It just needs to go deep. Deep enough to shake the entire market with a single tweet. 2017, John McAfee, king of crypto hype. One tweet could send garbage coins flying 5x. 2021, Elon Musk. Just one meme or a Doge to the moon tweet, and markets erupted. Then, just as easily, a tweet could crash it all back down. These figures don't just make trades, they set the board. And you're a pawn watching the pieces move. They don't play the game, they own it. 2. The one with power, governments, regulations, and silent protection. You still believe crypto is fully decentralized? Technically, yes. In practice, not even close. Ask yourself, why do some countries ban crypto, then suddenly allow it again? Why were Bitcoin ETFs approved right as markets turned bullish? Nothing is a coincidence. Regulations often serve not to protect you, but to open the door for MMs to enter and dominate. Because the absence of clear rules is the best condition for those who secretly write them. 3. The one who masters psychology, finance, and flow. Money alone doesn't make you an MM. You need to understand the crowd's emotions better than the crowd themselves. Look at SBF, Sam Bankman-Fried, Wall Street background, launched FTX, knew the waves, timed the kills. CZ, Binance, a man who didn't just build an exchange, he built a game that others played. They don't predict trends, they create them. They don't react to FOMO, they engineer FOMO.
How does the market maker operate?
Imagine you're playing poker, but your opponent can see all your cards. MMs have access to data from all major exchanges, bot activity, your leverage positions, even the clustered stop-loss zones. They know when you're going long with high leverage, where the majority will panic, when you're watching the charts, sweating over price action. A sudden dump wipes out positions. A quick pump makes you think this is it. Then, rug pulled. You think you're making decisions, you're reacting to what they want you to see. Are TA, on-chain, and research useless? Not at all. But they are just tools, not shields. TA shows you where enter and exit. On-chain helps spot what's real and what's bait. Research helps filter real value from well-packaged scams. But to survive, you need more. Risk management, so one mistake doesn't wipe you out. Mental discipline, so fear and greed don't blind you. A clear plan, so you don't enter trades out of boredom. So, what's the real game? This isn't a game of IQ. It's a game of knowing your role. MMs are the directors. You're the actor reacting to the script. Want to change roles? Understand the game. You don't have to be right all the time. You just have to survive long enough to finally see why you were wrong before. Signs you're the market maker prey. Market pumps, you FOMO in. Price reverses. You hear a coin will 10x. You ape in. It dumps weeks later. Volume rises, chart looks clean. You go full margin. It was a trap. You think you're seeing opportunities. No, you're seeing what the market maker wants you to see. So, how do you avoid becoming market maker food? Accept the truth. The game is rigged. Always ask who benefits from this hype. Avoid FOMO. If it feels like you have to enter, that's your signal to pause. Trade less, but smarter. Ignore the crowd. If everyone's rushing in, the exit door is already closing. Final words. Who actually wins? Not the smartest analyst, not the best connected insider, but the one who knows exactly what game they're playing. You don't need to be the market maker, but you must understand their world to survive in yours. The market doesn't reward the smartest, it rewards the ones who survive the longest. And market maker? They're the ones who've survived every cycle. If this video opened your eyes, share it. Because unless you're the one setting traps, you're the one being hunted.